Upbeat music playing on-screen text. Buy smart. H2O MOP X5 versus Schenley Steam Mop. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with two heavyweights, the H2O MOP X5 and the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner. One promises to be your cleaning knight in shining armor, while the other, well, let's just say you might want to keep your armor on. On-screen graphic shows the two products, H2O MOP X5 on the left and Schenley Steam Mop on the right. So grab your mop and bucket, sit back, and let's steamroll our way through this comparison. First up, let's talk about the price. The H2O MOP X5 comes in at a whopping $169. That's like the price of a decent dinner for two, or one really fancy dinner for one. Meanwhile, the Schenley Steam Mop is strutting in at a much friendlier $119. Now, that's more like a meal for a family of four, if they're not too picky. Reviewers have noted that while the H2O MOP X5 is more expensive, it offers versatility that justifies the price for some. In contrast, many find the Schenley Steam Mop to be a great value for its price, especially given its efficiency and effectiveness. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter: cleaning power. The H2O MOP X5 claims to have 1,300 watts of steam cleaning power. That's like the Hulk of steam mops. Meanwhile, the Schenley Steam Mop is no slouch either, boasting high-pressure steam that can tackle dirt, stains, and even mold. Reviewers of the H2O MOP X5 appreciate its versatility and ease of use, while Schenley users rave about its powerful cleaning capabilities, especially on tile floors. However, some H2O users have mentioned it can feel underwhelming on tougher jobs. Next up, versatility. The H2O MOP X5 is a 5-in-1 marvel, transforming into a handheld steamer for garments, grout cleaning, windows, and even mattresses. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of mops. On the flip side, the Schenley is a 7-in-1 wonder, tackling everything from floors to stoves. Reviewers have noted that the Schenley's multiple attachments make it a fantastic multitasker, while H2O fans highlight the ease with which it can switch between tasks, although some have experienced issues with specific attachments breaking. Let's talk heating time. The H2O MOP X5 takes its sweet time to heat up, while the Schenley is ready to roll in just 15 seconds. I mean, if you're in a cleaning frenzy, who wants to wait? That's like getting a pizza delivered and finding out it's still in the oven. Reviewers of the Schenley have been particularly pleased with its quick heating time, while H2O users often express frustration over the wait time before they can start cleaning. Finally, weight and flexibility. The H2O MOP X5 is sturdy, but might be a bit of a workout. Meanwhile, the Schenley is lightweight and dances around furniture like it's auditioning for Dancing with the Stars. If you're like me and have a love-hate relationship with your furniture, you'll appreciate that 180-degree swivel. Reviewers have noted the H2O MOP X5 can feel heavy after extended use, while the Schenley's lightness is often praised, making it easier to maneuver around tight spaces. Overall, the H2O MOP X5 is recognized for its versatility and ease of use, though some users report concerns about its construction. The Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner garners praise for its effective cleaning and lightweight design, making it a favorite among those looking for quick and efficient cleaning solutions. Both products have their strengths and weaknesses, appealing to different cleaning needs and preferences. So after all that steam and drama, Which mop comes out on top? The H2O MOP X5 is a powerhouse with versatility, but comes at a higher price and takes longer to heat up. On the other hand, the Schenley Steam Mop offers good value, quick heating, and is super lightweight. It's like choosing between a luxury sports car and a reliable family sedan. One's flashy, the other gets you where you need to go without breaking the bank. So which mop do you think is the champion? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a steamy comparison. Until next time, keep it smart, keep it clean, and remember, don't mop up your money.